Hi, Gloria McDonald here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the nonprofit, the charity that you want to donate to. In order to purchase anything with your GivBux app, you have to have a charity, a nonprofit that you have set up that a percentage of your cashback is going to go to. So you're going to click on this Give button right here with the little present box. So I'm going to tap on that. And then I'm going to tap on the Set Your Give Percentage button, the purple button there. So I'm going to tap on that. Okay, so you can see I've got different percentages I can choose from. I've got 1%, 5%, 10%, 25%. It can go up to 50%, but I'm already giving 25% to this one nonprofit. So I'm going to choose 25%, and then I'm going to tap on the search. In this case, I'm looking for my favorite nonprofit, which is Unleashed Phoenix, which is an amazing organization that helps people who are recovering from drug and alcohol addiction. So you can see that's showing up there. So I just tap on the purple, select this charity. So I tap on that. And then really important, you want to make sure you tap on the purple save button way down here at the bottom of your screen. So make sure you tap on that save button, and then you confirm that you are giving a total of 25% to Girl, Let Me Tell You. And so that's 12.5%, and 25% or 12.5% to Unleashed Phoenix. So I'm going to confirm that and accept. Now my nonprofits are all set up, and I can start using my GivBux app to purchase things, get cash back, and automatically donate to my favorite nonprofits. So check out the next video on how to purchase something with your GivBux app.